Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, and kani, kani tū. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, let's sing some waiata. Rima, ono, fitu, waru, and kani, kani tū. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to our music time. Nau Mai Haramai, welcome to you all.
Kia ora!
Malolele, it's Seal
And Leah
from Loopy Tunes. Welcome to Music Time with us, Loopy Tunes.
where we get to sing and dance and learn together.
That's right. Now we have 3 clues right beside us that are going to help us figure out what song we're going to sing today.
Would you like to help us? Fantastic! Thank you.
All right. Now our first clue, clue tuatahi, is right up the top. Do you know what this is? You're right. It's somebody playing peekaboo.
Clue tuarua right here. What do you think it is? I think you're right. It's the moana, the seed.
All right. Now our third clue, clue tuatoru, is right here next to us. Do you know what this is? Ai ka pai, it's a whale, a tohorā. We have all 3 clues.
Yeah.
We have someone playing peekaboo, we have the moana, the sea, and we have a tohorā.
Oh, I think I know what the song is that we're going to sing. Peekaboo Tohorā. Tohorā means whale.
That's right, we're going to go do some whale watching next. Have you ever gone to look for whales and they love going like this in the water? Boom! And then back down. If you're lucky, their whole body comes out. So in this song you'll get to look for the tohorā, the whales, and you get to play pika, 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 boo with them too.
Awesome. Shall we go sing the song together? I'm going to count to toru. We will click our fingers and let's go do some peekaboo. Tahi, rua, toru.
Let's play peekaboo tohorā. Oh, won't you come out to say kia ora? Hiding in the deep blue sea, tohorā, come play with me. Let's play peekaboo tohorā. Pika, pika, peekaboo. Oh, I see you. Pika, pika, peekaboo. I see you too. Pika, pika, peekaboo. Oh, and you too. Tohorā, hey, kia ora. Let's play peekaboo tohorā. Ooh, won't you come out to say kia ora? Hiding in the deep blue sea, tohorā, come play with me. Let's play peekaboo tohorā. Pika, pika, peekaboo. Oh, I see you. Pika, pika, peekaboo. I see you too. Pika, pika, peekaboo. Oh, and you too. Tohorā, hey, kia ora. Tohorā, hey, kia ora. We had so much fun playing peekaboo with all the tohorā. Did you?
Yay, I did too. Did you see all the different tohorā popping up? Cool.
Alright, he wā Hokinga Mahara, it's time to remember some of those kupu, some of the words that we learned in our waiata in our song today. Okay, do you remember what the Māori word for whale is? It starts with the sound T. Tohorā, ka pai.
Can you remember how to say hello in Māori? It starts with ki, ki, kia ora.
Alright, and our last one. Do you remember how we said peekaboo in this song? It's a little bit different. Instead of boo at the end, we use the sound p. Poo. Peekaboo, because there's no B in the Māori language. Well done. Hey, we hope you enjoyed looking for all those tohora and playing peekaboo with them. Shall we go and sing our goodbye song together? Goodbye everybody, it's time to go. Goodbye everybody, we'll miss you so. Ka kite anō, we'll see you soon. Goodbye, hey koneira. Goodbye, hey koneira.
Goodbye! Make sure that you like and subscribe down below so that you can watch all of the good videos of my mum and auntie. Loopy Tunes! Loopy Tunes! Loopy Tunes!